Hello, it's Lisa. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy this video. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a Happy Mail I got through a swap that I did on one of my Facebook groups. I got it in today, so I thought it'd be fun to show everybody what I got. I sent mine out today, so hopefully she in turn likes hers. So I covered the name up, but it's funny, she wrote that it's her first ephemera box. She's very new, and it's funny because it was my first one too, so we kind of were like two newbies heading toward each other. So I think I'm gonna pretty tissue paper, I'm definitely gonna play with that, but I think I'm gonna move this to the side and pull them out one by one so they're not exactly just holding the box up. So all right, so first thing I got here looks like some map pages. Ooh, those are a nice size. Ooh, I like that one. Yeah, I definitely could do some stuff with that. All right, I'm gonna just roll it up the other direction, see if I can get some of that unroll going. All right, we'll tuck it in. There we go, let it unroll. Okay, so next thing I see, a couple fabrics. It's funny, I sent her some butterfly fabric too, so we exchanged butterfly fabric, so cute. You can definitely use that for some fabric stuff. So, all right, I did peek in the box, and this is probably my most exciting thing. Tea-dye doilies. I don't have any. I was quite excited about that. Oh, and a fun bag, right? That I'll definitely make some use of. All right, and then the next thing in here are these. They are a harder kind of a packaging material, it looks like. Can't tell if it's handmade to that size or that's how it came, but it's very sturdy. It looks like they're decoupaged on collage. Very cute. Definitely holds some fun stuff in there. It's definitely strong, so yeah, I like those. Gotta figure out where to put those. Okay, and then the next thing I got here were these, excuse me, voice cracking, matchbook kind of flip out things. Very cute, never saw that paper before. I love it. There's that one. And then this one. But then I was most excited about this one. I'm gonna have to duplicate this. It is got some index cards in there, which I have, and then it is sewn in, which I thought was very cool because like these, the corners are rounded, so the hole, there's no hole at the bottom, it just wraps around, and then just one hole in the center to tie it, which I thought was genius. I love that because then you don't have to worry about going through all those extra holes. So I will definitely be making some of these. Thank you very much. I love that. Okay. All right, so next we got some pretty washi tape. I really like that one. I don't have this one. Definitely. I got some a bee journal I'm thinking of doing with some flowers and the birds and the bees, some flowers and some trees. So that'll go well with that. So, oops, stuck to my finger. There we go. And then some fun trims, some silver cording, and then this looks like, it's hard to tell, but it's like a braided cord, which is very interesting. Like 3 braids of ribbon. Very cool. Yeah. Okay. And then I got 2 of these that are now, there we go. They are loose circles, 4 sizes. Funny, I sent her some circles too, so not pre-done, undone to make your own. These back ones are collaged. Now, that was interesting, kind of has a iridescent paper in the back. Cool. Very fun. Yeah, I like those. You could probably just glue them all together as one layer and do it as a cluster too. Or with the dangle, hang it up, I like it. Okay, so got a couple more ribbon. Fun binder clip. Some black and some satin blue. Is that wired? No, that is wired. We could definitely make some bows out of that. Okay. is a strong binder clip. Wow, nice. Okay. All right. Lots of little stuff in here now. All right, so get these. All right, so these cards are really cute just in their own, but they did have stuff attached to them. And of course, this one just fell apart, so a whole bunch of cute little words that are inked on the side. I think they're just cardboard, they're not stickers, right? They're just cardboard. Add those to my tiny tags. I like those. I don't have too many single words. I don't think I really have very many at all, so those are going to come in handy, as well as that's going to be fun to add to something. All right, put the paper clip back on there. Keep them together for a minute. Okay, and then this one had quotes of words. Orange. I just did that, my junk journal July, which has fruit on it. I might have to go back and add that to it. So, plot, poetry, needle. I'm thinking of doing a sewing journal too, so that would come in handy, as well as these little cards. Okay, and then this one I thought was quite interesting. Pretty flowers. These are those ruched side things, but instead of sewn, they're actually hand sewn with yarn. Like how long that took. Very cool. I like that color green too. This is pretty. That took a lot of time. Oh, very, very cool. Stamped, yeah, those are fun. I never saw it with the yarn like that. So that's very cool. And the last one of these are book pages. Look like they've definitely been stamped, and then probably some inking. I don't think that's paint. A square of ink. Oh, maybe that is paint. And then a stamp. Yeah, very cool. I can see those going, both of these going into my, even though 3 of those going into that next journal I have with the bugs, the bees. Very cool. Okay. Oh, that one with this. Like, how did I lose one already? Okay, we'll do that later. Okay, what's next? Alright, a couple more little things. Alright, so I have this, and I'm pretty sure this is, oh, it's Disney stuff, Cinderella. I thought it was Wednesday, The Addams Family, Tom Marvel's Riddle, Cinderella. They're stickers. Interesting. That's Nightmare Before Christmas, that I recognize. That looks like Sleeping Beauty, maybe, or Rapunzel kind of deal. Interesting. Okay. All right. Next thing is these labels, which I love labels. I think I saw these on something similar to this on another channel. I've been meaning to do these, so very cool. Decorate them further. Oh, they got a little bit of a glitter to them. Shine. Interesting. Cute. Yeah, I like those. All right, and these are cutout stamps. Let's put those in my stamp book. Oh, what are actual one? Oh, the cute little. Look at that. Cute. Protect the endangered species. Could probably put that in my, I didn't even know it's not a bug. Endangered species bee book. All right, and these are clusters made from book pages and scrapbook paper. Yeah, fun. And all inked. Those will come in handy. Okay. All right, so I also have this. At the bottom are some charms. Look like two serpents, dragons. Kind of goes with the theme of this. That'd be kind of fun doing a Halloween journal with a dangle on those stickers. It's only summer though. We'll worry about that later. Alright, and then this just came apart. I got some tie-dye papers, or coffee dye papers. Can't have too much of those. Love those. And then some little boxes. Very cool. I'll have to figure out something to do with those. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, I'll figure out something to do with those. Got a couple of those. Yeah, I like those, so I think that's it. Yep. Okay. Well, there is some fun stuff in there, that is for sure. I got lots of fun stuff to play with. My doilies love those. Yeah. All right, quite exciting. All right, well, I love it. I'm very excited. Hopefully, in turn, it will be as well received on her end. So that's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see further videos from me, like this one, which I definitely will be doing. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, and as usual, have a wonderful and creative day. Thanks so much.